Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very powerful move. I don't think anybody can really sit around and debate that and say, no, it wasn't a very good move. Everybody would agree, very, very nice day to day. But that does lead to the question, is there any sort of true power behind today's price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, fake move type, price action? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And, in my mind, it all is centered around a single level. And that level for me is down here at the 0.022 mark. Why is 0.022 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.022. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to this within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. And if you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps are continuing on in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do. If a breakout is going to get continuation, well, it's going to continue on in the upwards direction. I assume I'm stating the obvious, when I say that. Now, ideally speaking, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay up above 0.026, that would be a very nice sign of strength. But if the price does drop lower, from a big picture perspective, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would be more ideal. But as long as the price stays above 0.022, then that implies that the price is continuing forward, and that's what continuation is, the price making progress as time goes by. What about levels of resistance? Really, at this point, there's kind of one key level that stands out. And this level is not exact. It's more so kind of just the centerpiece of a bunch of other highs. But that's right up here at 0.032. I realized a couple of times the price went slightly above it. Other times, price went slightly below it. And there were also just a bunch of times where the price actually did get rejected right from that level. So there are some sellers up there at 0.032. So that'll be near-term area of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it. Very, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.